Hi everyone, today our topic is computing the compound interest rate. Today, we're looking at how to find the interest rate of an investment when we already know the starting amount, the final amount, and how long it was invested. Before we solve anything, let's identify our four ingredients. P or the principal, the money you started with. F or the future value, the total amount you ended with. And T or the time, how many years the money sat there. And N or the compounding, how many times interest is added per year. Of the compound interest rate, we use this formula where R equals N, open and close parentheses, and P by the square root of F over P minus 1.
We have here a problem. Israel invested 50,500 which accumulated an amount of 60,900 in 3 years compounded quarterly. Determine the rate of interest. Israel invested 50,500. By the word invested, that's our principal which accumulated an amount of 60,900. By the word accumulated, that's our future value. In 3 years, which are T, compounded quarterly, which are N. Determine the rate of interest. The equation of rate of interest is R equal to N multiplied by NT root of F over P minus 1. So, using this equation, we will substitute the given value and calculate. So, we get 0.629, but then the question is the rate of interest. So we're gonna multiply it to 100%. So we get 6.29%. And that's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm Regeline Bagtong, and now I will discuss one of the example of compound interest rate. Here's the problem. An investor placed 120,000 in a savings account. After 5 years, the account balance grew to 165,000. If the interest was compounded semi-annually, what was the annual interest rate? Let's identify the given variable. Future value is 165,000. Principal is 120,000. Time is 5 years. Compounding period or the number of period is 2 since it is semi-annual. The compound interest formula is R equal N multiplied by NT root of F over P minus 1. The first determine the total number of compounding period is NT 2 times 5 equal 10. Substitute the value into the rate formula. Here's the equation. R equal to times the quantity, the 10th root of 165,000 over 120,000 minus 1. This is equal to 2 times the quantity, the 10th root of 1.375 minus 1. Ahan nako si 1.375. Nakuha nako siya ka 165,000 divided by 120,000 equal 1.375. Negation of 2 times the quantity 1.032375 minus 1. Aha nakuha si 1.032375. Nakuha nako siya kang 1.375 the power of 0.10 or 0.1. Mention the total of 0.032375. Then negation of 2 times 0.032375 is 0.064714. To express the rate as a percentage, multiply by 100. Nakuha si 100. Dito siya nakuha kang 10. Nakuha ang 100 kang time the power of compounding period. Kasi time is 10, the power of 2, the total of 100. So, si 100 ikot no, ato daw siyang i-multiply kang 0.064714. So, 100 times 0.064714 is a total of 6.4714. So, the annual interest rate is 6.4714. That's all.